Hi, boys and girls. For our phonics lessons today, I want to tell you about Tricky Y. This picture right here is of Tricky Y, the robber guy, because he will steal the sound of E and I. Sometimes we see a Y at the end of words, but it no longer makes the Y sound like in the word yellow. It will make the long I sound of I or the long E sound of E like in bun E. I'm going to say a few words and you tell me if you hear the I sound by making an I in sign language or an E sound, which looks like this in sign language. So I is with your pinky up. E, it's almost like you're making a fist, but your thumb has to go underneath by your fingernails. Okay, so give it a try. Well, my first name, Kathy. Kathy. My goodness, I heard an E. What about Tierney? Tierney. Another E. So that Tricky Y the robber guy, he stole my Y from my first name and my last name, that crazy little guy. How about this word? Cry. Cry. I heard an I. What about happy? Happy. I heard an E. What about funny? Another E. What about shy? I am shy. An I. What about fly? Fly guy. Another I. What about silly? Don't be too silly. There's an E. And what about hungry? Hungry. Another E. And our last one, try. Try. An I. Good for you. Alrighty. I'm going to bring us to this page and we are going to look at these pictures together and we are going to decide if we hear a long I, we're going to use the red color. But if we hear an E, we'll circle it in blue. Okay, I'm going to have to get my colors set up here. So what about this one? Spy. Spy. I think he should be red. Oh, Liam, this is for you. Candy. This is candy corn. Candy. I hear an E. I'm going to have to switch to blue. This girl is drying her hair. Dry. I hear an I. Oh, I see a strawberry. So we could do strawberry E. I hear an E. I should have done the little strawberry in blue. But what about jelly? Strawberry jelly, also blue. Okay, now this is a fly. Fly. What do you hear there? I hear an I. I wonder if I'm going to go right over my head. Oh, a trophy. Trophy. What do you think, red or blue? Trophy. I think a blue. Oh, this guy looks scared. Bunny. Bunny. And, oh my goodness, the fish is in the pan. They are frying. Fry. Fry. I think we need a red because I heard an I. So friends, if you are spelling these words, there would be a Y at the end. D, R, I. There's a Y at the end of all of these. So it's just going to take lots of writing and reading Y words to remember how to spell them, but instead of going duraya, it's dura-I. So sometimes if you come to a word that you're trying to sound out, if there's a Y at the end and the word just doesn't make sense, you could try putting an I or an E at the end and seeing if that sounds better. Excellent job, my friends. See you soon.